Early August bird tour. Mott Chillingsworth. Early August bird tour.
Over the top.
Tom Einan. 24. Mott Chillingsworth. That's your old house, right, Mott?
Yeah.
So did it look like this when you owned it?
Well, I didn't have the lattice on the bottom, and the deck had a mahogany railing.
First eagle of the day. Red-tailed hawk.
Boy, he's good size. I think we're going to need the net. Yeah, we're going to need the net. Oh shit, he's off.
Are you sure?
We got a fish. Whoa, it's a beauty.
Holy Christ, you do need a fucking net.
That's a beauty. Oh my goodness, it's a monster. Wow, that's a pike.
No, it's a smallmouth bass.
No, that's a bass.
Okay, I wouldn't know.
That's a bass.
All right, that's about. Oh, look at the size of that baby.
Jumping. Guy with the net's fucking up.
Pardon me, man.
Just keep it.
Tubing dog.
I say that green grass. Look how beautiful it is coming up there. I'll tell you, that's rich in nutrients. Deer, whoever. Who's that? Oh my goodness.
Blue heron.
We're gonna be a hell of a.
It's a
time.
common merganser. Look how close we are to it. I believe it is. What else could it be?
Yeah, his hood isn't up is all.
Oh, look at that. Oh God, did you see that? I got it. I got that.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Look at
Thank you, bird.
Boy, that's a big one, isn't it?
No, it's not a big one. It's a juvenile. Okay, we're passing the little merganser again, and she doesn't seem to care.
Yeah, tranquil's the word for it. Still only in 10 feet of water. Not marking too many fish here, though. It's called trolling for fish.
What kind of fish?
But we're looking for pike or muskie.
Big fish.
Big fish.
Real big fish.
Real big.
Look who's the captain. Mutiny.
Mutiny.
You know, that bass, I had a fake Helgermite, a plastic Helgermite, and a leech on that thing together. On a very small red anodized hook.
Burns.
Tell you what, that is a beautiful shot, Tom. That could be a painting right there, buddy.
Yeah, you're right. There's a lot of cover right here. There's probably a few fish up here. Although I'm not marking anything right now, but it's so busy. You know, when the water's up high, the fish love that kind of color.
And we're going to wrap up this tour. One of the best days ever, man.